plane crashes in Kazakhstan, killing at least 14. And 10-day Youth Adventure and Water Sports Festival 2019 begins at Lamdan. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. You are watching News Today. I'm JESIA giving you the news in details. A passenger plane with 100 people on board has crashed in Kazakhstan Almaty airport after it lost altitude. As per media report, the crash has left at least 14 people dead, confirmed local aviation authorities in the Central Asian nation. Out of 14, 6 have been identified as children. At least 35 people have also been injured in the plane crash. Airport authorities said the back aircraft lost altitude, hit a fence and finally crashed into a two-story building during takeoff from Almaty International Airport. A special commission will be set up to determine the cause of the crash. The plane was heading for the capital Nur Sultan and lost altitude during takeoff and broke through a concrete fence before hitting a small building, Kazakhstan Civil Aviation Committee said in a statement. Celebrating its 34th Foundation Day, the Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association (MMTA) has kicked off a 10-day Youth Adventure and Water Sports Festival 2019 today at Manipur Mountaineering Institute, Lamdan. Dignitaries at the event paid floral tributes to Tenzing, Norway. The function was attended by MLA and Tourism Corporation of Manipur Limited Chairman Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Editors Guild Manipur President Khogendra Khomdram, and MMTA President Bijoy Kakching Tabam.
Tourist makan ne akoi jaga amada tourist ama oina chappa kana makan ki tourist la tourist khara amna jaga dugi chatting batam jida jaga dugi history jaga dugi map jaga dugi important jaga dugi USP jaga du chaba karam bachinjang phai jaga du the culture karam balai jaga dugi corner the phaja ba kailam hai base kup na study tawraga yam kupna ibo locals to labor media the hena mana kupna historical background magi tourism potential se yamna tawna chatlaga.
Wakching Kumhoba was observed at Lining Thosanamahi Sanglan, located inside First Manipur Rifles Complex, Imphal. Organized by Moilang Salai Yakaipung, the date marks the arrival of Wakching month in accordance with the Manipur lunar calendar. Penaya Kairol's speech on the Wakching Kumhoba, greetings and a grand face were the main highlights of the event.
Sahi hoba Malia Pampans Palcha Sahi Kumsing Li Sahi Saising Saichat Lishing Ahunga Samri Gatarani Pal Basi Lining to Sanamai Pagi Sanglin Nasida Malang Salai Yakaipuna Pangtok Sabani Kumho Thorum Asina Lakba Ashida Kanglecha Pumnamak Yapaminerzi Sahonga Hongba Kunsauba Lesauba Tangdu Laitaba Kunchi Mamaway Minersi Hina Malang Salai Jakaipung the Gilabang Miam the Jaipapojil Pizari Yapaminerzi.
Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Labor, Welfare Association, CFNPD, LWA Jiribam condemn NR Mathai Enterprises over alleged continuous maltreatment meted out to laborers. Talking to reporters at the Jiri News Network conference hall yesterday, CFNPD, LWA, Jiribam General Secretary Hijam Dinakumar Singh also accused NR Mathai Enterprises of delaying in issuing permit cards to laborers working at FCI Godown since the past 1 month. He appealed to all civil society organizations in Jiribam to look into the matter.
Jiribam FCI da matam kaya mamangdagi sujadana laksari ba singmising kasar amasung jiri pula suminari ba singmising sida hauji ena Mathai Enterprise na kasargi miyoy sing amata happa yaroi goda manungda suwan ba yaroi ba ating ba ama pirekpadagi matam kaya dagi Mari Lenaloiba, Kasar, Metei, Jiribam, the Taderiba Metei, Sinirao, Singam, Sinabi, Marisisu, I Tadana Bagi, I Nuana the Ba Amatola Bagi, Asoba, Kudong Tibamala, Anna Bagi, Dambi Masu, Simbi, the Haita, the Handaki Matanga Sida.
Now it's time for a short commercial break. Coming up next, we have news on biting cold waves persists as mercury continues downward trend across North India.
Young what?
Soktabanu loidi.
Wabdo koknaba rebalance.
Soktabadu koknaba rebalance. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy. Rebalance.
Lagliba December 13 January Manga Fauba Youth Adventure and Water Sports Festival 2019 Pangthokjaragani. District ke package oina lobi bagi khudong chabusu lejari. Trekking, camping, boat race, rafting, motorboating khaktan natana camping na chingba event kaya amasu yaugatawi. Festival asida sarugyanaba gidama contact tobiu 7005627984 natraga 7005165120. Cha singi marakta miyamna khangnaraba Gambhira's Valley Strong City Anoba chagi mana singdagi saba asingba amadi mahau leiraba Valley Strong tea asibu mahau lobi nabagidamak ngasimak leibiu anoba technique ya sizinaduna semjariba Gambhira's Valley Strong City. City asi gram chama chani yangkhai amadi chamangagi paketa makhal kaya thokna fanganjari cha asigi mahau lobi na bagidamak ngasimak leibiu Gambhira's Valley Strong City. Admission open for the session 2020-21. Hello Kids Clubhouse Preschool, Kawasa Falerak near Nursing Mandir. Facilities available. Digitally smart class, transport facility, fully trained staff, spacious classroom, friendly environment, hygienic midday meal. For more details, please contact Hello Kids Clubhouse Preschool. Contact number 700513143 or 700517235.
Khurumjari Lamjingba Finance na makal khudimaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment single loan pizari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani.
Amadi adomgi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano. Makal khudimaki gari kaya su bandan lawzari. Christmas ki oiba khadamba offer su pizari.
Akupa marol gidamakta lengsinbirau Lamjingba Finance, Nagamapa Rims Road, opposite Nityananda Temple, Natragana.
Lamjingba Finance, Uripok, Havam Diwan Lekai.
Ekoigi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Laurembam Enterprises Makhal kayagi furniture items phangbiragani maruoina sofa set, office table amadi chair set, wedding set asina chingbani. Furniture item ama leibada chada tara manga dagi kun fawba discount pijari. Loinana Christmas amadi New Year gidamak akhanaba offer su pijari. Mattress pambiba singna Slipwell Moirang khomdagi lobibi yagani. Akupa moral gidamak lengsin birau Laurembam Enterprises Kanchipur opposite Manipuri University. Akogi contact number 97741328667 natraga 8787675251. Mangalam Enterprises. Exclusive and top branded household as well as office furniture items available. Please avail our season offer before first week of January. Offer up to 50% discount. For more details, please visit Mangalam Enterprises, Kaisampad Kaisam Laikai, Imphal.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna pung kunmari chupna miyam gi seba tawzari. Ambulance service asina miyam da pizariba service singdi yumdagi hospital da pukhatpa, hospital dagi yumda puthaba, hospital amadagi hospital amada puba, yum thangnariba state singda anaba sing puba amadi lawba, loinana India gi mafam khudimakta chatpa yaraba air ambulance ki service asina chingbani. Masida natana lambi gi accident ta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyam gi mateng pangjari. Adom sunga simak sep tawshin biu aikhoi gi contact number 9205987988 natraga Play Store sangbiduna Madeline F download tobiu.
Welcome back after the break. Beating cold waves persisted at the Mercury continue its downward trend across North India today. While Delhi recorded a minimum temperature of 4.2 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature of 13.4 degrees Celsius today, the India Meteorological Department IMD has predicted that this December could be the second coldest in the 118 years in the national capital, as temperatures are predicted to drop further. According to the IMD, due to persistence of cool northwesterly winds in lower level over northwest India and other favorable meteorological conditions, cold and severe cold conditions are very likely in many pockets over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, and in isolated pockets over North Rajasthan, North Madhya Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Bihar during the next 2 days. As Uttar Pradesh intensifies security and patrolling ahead of Friday, Prayers prohibitory order under CRPC Section 144 banning assembly of more than 4 people has been imposed near UP Bhavan in Delhi and Silampur and Jafarabad areas of northeast Delhi. According to reports, paramilitary force personnel and state police force have been deployed and drone cameras are being used to ensure security. Meanwhile, the process to confiscate the property of those involved in damaging public assets during the protest gained momentum, as 372 people were served notices in different districts. Personnel of the Government Railway Police GRP today seized suspected opium weighing 3.5 kg from a train in Guwahati. According to media reports, the contraband substance was seized during routine checking from the possession of one Shahdev Bisnoy of C12 Shofwatan Kidhani under Suvas Nagar Vistar Yochna Police Station in Jodhpur of Rajasthan. The accused was carrying the banned substance in 15960DN Kamrup Express train. He was occupying seat number 12 in coach number S6. The accused person was traveling from Dibrugarh to coach Bihar. In this connection, a case is being registered under NDPS Act. A Norwegian woman tourist has been asked to leave the country after she was found to have participated in an anti-CA protest this week, violating visa norms. Reports found that she has violated visa norms and so she was asked to go back. Jan Matty Johnson, who is on a tourist visa, had come under the scanner of Bureau of Immigration authorities over her participation in an anti-CA protest in the city on December 23rd. The 71-year-old woman settled in Sweden said when she sought an explanation or something in writing, the authorities informed her that she would not get anything in writing. She said her friend was arranging a flight ticket to Dubai, from where she would catch a flight back home to Sweden. Once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Adonggi angangbu wakal budhi lausing thauhannaba mithoi mihenba amadi punsida mai pakpa ma soidana oinabagidamak ngasimok lengsin birau Genius Mind Tech mafam asida Japan gi akhanaba technology amagi matengna Sunday khudingi pangthokliba mid brain activation course ase saruk yahanbiu akhoi gi akhanaba course singdi DMIT test, ESP, LNP, photogenic memory, quantum speed reading asina chingbani course khudingmaki chada chama guarantee pijari akopa moral gidama contact tobiu 9862287481 natraga 8787562714 khogi website www.gmtmanipur.in
Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tawge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan tawge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tawbugi awaba lehendaba. School du da adum changnai na coaching tawhanba.
Mama paga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam gi topper su puthokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Dakshila Institute. Admission open. Courses on offer. Takshila Capsule NEET for NEET 2020 eligibility 12 pass. Duration 3.5 months and course fee is 1,214 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of January 2020. Takshila Capsule JEE for JEE 2020 April session. Eligibility 12 pass. Duration 2.5 months and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of Jan 2020. Takshila Crash Course NEET for NEET 2020. Eligibility 12 pass and appeared. Duration 1.5 months, 45 days approximately, and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on mid of March 2020. Admission free for super achievers like position holders in 10 or 12 any board exam, 85% and above in 10 or 12 in any board exam, 75% and above in HSLC for the students of Heritage Convent who are eligible to take NEET or JEE 2020. Hurry if your dream is to become a doctor or an engineer. What are you waiting for? For more details, please contact Takshila Imphal branch at Takshila Heights, Thamaban DM College Road, Imphal. Scan the QR code for online.
Taste of Imphal. Speedifying food delivery. Download now.
Welcome back after the break. Bhutan hosted the first ever writers' conference in Phuet Shokling. The day-long conference held recently saw more than 40 young and aspiring writers from Bhutan collaborating with Indian authors to make a better market for Bhutanese writers. The conference was a platform for young writers to share their love for literature and the challenges they face while they pursue writing, according to reports. Some share that while they enjoy the art of writing, there aren't buyers considering the poor reading culture among Bhutanese. The Indian authors from Assam, West Bengal and Odisha promised that they will help young Bhutanese writers sell their books online. This left the participants encouraged to write more. The death toll from a Christmas typhoon that tore through the central Philippines rose to 28 today, with 12 people missing, the disaster agency said, as authorities moved to restore power and residents tried to repair damaged homes. As per media reports, 43,000 people were moved to temporary shelters among the 1,85,000 impacted by the typhoon, which destroyed 49 homes and partially damaged 2,000. Due to the typhoon, 115 flights were cancelled and thousands of people remained stranded by the suspension of ferries due to storm surges. Now, the sports news. Yakaipung Thopang Loop Lamding, Apunba Manipur Huyen Lalong Loop, Amhal, Imphal East and Mihul jointly kick off a 15-day-long non-residential Huyen Lalong Thangta Chaibi Sarit Sarat Training Camp 2019 yesterday at Iputhau Ikop Ningthau Laibung of Lamding. Talking at the event, active member of Yakaipung Thopang Loop, Hijam Sarat Chandra Luang said that the age-old Meitei martial arts Huyen Lalong is now recognized as one of the subjects at the university level. He added the training program aims to preserve this unique martial arts for self-defense, training and maintaining good health among the youngsters. FC Goa love playing at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Chennai, especially during the league stages of the Indian Super League ISL. After a thrilling 4-3 win over Chennaiyin FC on Thursday, the Goars have now won 5 out of 6 league stage games at this particular venue, scoring 15 goals in the process. That tally of 15 is also the most goals Goa have scored at any away venue. However, on Thursday, the story could have been ever so different if not for an error-prone performance from the home side. A shambolic defensive performance in the first half undermined owing Koili's side, who found themselves 3-0 down at the break. Not even a rousing second-half performance could salvage a point from that mess of a first half. Now, the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express denouncing Citizenship Amendment Act. Left parties line up week-long protests. Tamil Nadu tops Good Governance Index. Manipur adjusts West in Hell in Northeast and Hill States section. Congress MLA proposes House session to study ILPS rules. Kids of health workers surrender school bags. The People's Chronicle. State tops in public health, 8 in good governance. Amokok urges government to draft December 29 rally plan. Arrested workers' children surrender school bags. State lawyers to tackle Naga issue CAA at Kosi event. Pro-CAA rally may create unrest, cautions execution. Imphal Free Press. Manipur limps behind in Good Governance Index ranking. State inks MOU to explore potentials of medicinal plants. Congress slams BJP pro-CA December 29 proposed rally. Journalists decry attacks on media during anti-CA protests. MHRC directs authorities to provide both services in Karang Island. The Morning Bell. MLA Joy Kishan demands special house session to debate minutes of ILPS draft, ridicules CAA support rally. Detention centers not new, not linked to NRC, says government. MOU inked between MSMPV and Prateksha Agrotech. MPP completes 52 years. Party reaffirms staying to work for people. Manipur Mail. Education Minister appeals teachers to treat students with compassion. Agreement inked with censor company to improve Ayush. UP Minister skips meeting families of those who died in anti-CAA protests. Rahul Gandhi to address rally in Guwahati against CAA NRC.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Passenger plane crashes in Kazakhstan, killing at least 14. And 10-day Youth Adventure and Water Sports Festival 2019 begins at Lamdan. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.